Hi, we're the girls from Cookless Cuisine. I'm Joanne.
I'm Jackie.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're continuing our Mediterranean Diet Week with our walnut-crusted baked salmon. Salmon with omega-3s, so healthy, so delicious, great for your heart.
And so good to eat.
It is. You're going to love this dish.
You'll never guess that you're eating something really healthy.
Yeah, I love this dish.
And this is a fun dish to put together.
This is awesome. So we're going to start with some walnuts, some chopped walnuts.
Also, high in omega-3s, really, really good for you.
And we have some whole wheat breadcrumbs. And then we have some chopped parsley.
So you get that all nicely mixed
you just
together.
get that all mixed together here.
And you're going to add a little olive oil.
All right. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to ask Kelly to brush our salmon. So we want to brush this with our remaining olive oil here.
Here we go. So what you want to do is you want to brush your salmon on both sides generously with the olive oil, whatever's remaining.
And we're going to add the rest of some lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice.
Always tastes better than that bottled stuff.
Yeah. And then Jackie's going to crush up some garlic.
A good sized clove. Maybe I'm going to crush up some garlic today.
She's going to try to crush up some garlic. This is also good for you because it gets the muscles working, right?
She did it! I did it!
It engages all muscle groups.
Awesome. Yeah, garlic is also so healthy for you. Our mom used to take it when she used to get a cold. She would eat garlic.
Okay, then we're going to season a little bit with some salt and pepper in here.
Just a little bit.
And while you're at it, Jackie, add some salt and pepper to our salmon.
That's great.
We'll get that going. Yeah, there it is. We'll grind up some pepper on there. Gorgeous. Okay, then we're going to shift this down to Joanne. And she's going to show how you get that topping on there.
So then what we want, see, this is how it's going to look. It looks a little bit wet. And we're just going to add this topping.
The wet keeps it together too, right?
That's the whole point. You want to keep it together. It's okay if some of it spills off, but what you want to do is you want to just top your salmon with this.
When it spills off, you can push it against the sides of your salmon to keep all the flavors in there.
And
so you want to press that in together so it sticks to the salmon.
So we're just going to...
You want to cover the edges over there.
Yep.
And this recipe's on the blog, all the amounts and all the information on how to bake this up. And this is going to go in the oven for a few minutes, and we're going to join you with the finished product.
And here's our finished walnut-crusted baked salmon. Kalyoriksi.
Kalyoriksi.